Mga kasama, patuloy tayo maging inspirasyon sa ating pakikipagnayan sa komunidad. Pakita natin ang malasakit. Sa ating profesionalismo, pakita natin ang integridad. Sa ating serbisyo, pakita natin ang puso ng isang tunay na bumbero. Handa, matatag at may pagmamahal sa bayan. Kaya, mga bumbero tausug, let's continue inspiring the Tausug people.
اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم
No!
Ang awit ng Pilipinas.
And now is our Provincial Chief for Prevention Branch. He may still be young and is still a long way to go, but he has already proven himself as a reliable colleague, a calm leader, and a dedicated fire servant. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for SF1 Alcacid Yujigiri.
Audu billahi minasyaitanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. To our dearest Provincial Fire Marshal, Fire Chief Inspector Romel S. Carpio, to Municipal Fire Marshal of Apollo Municipal Fire Station, Fire Senior Inspector Jason T. Ahijud, sir, Deputy Provincial Fire Marshal, Fire Inspector Roy Edward Arganda, Deputy Municipal Fire Marshal of Apollo Municipal Fire Station, SFO 4 Alvisa P. S. Gentlemen, fellow colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamualaikum and good morning. First and foremost, I would like to sincerely appreciate all of you, my brave, dedicated, and selfless personnel of the Bureau of Fire Protection Zone. Every time we wear this uniform, we carry not only our mandate, but also the trust and hope of the community we serve. Ang uniforming ito ay hindi lamang isang kasuotan, kundi ito ay isang inspirasyon sa bawat kabataan. Kaya isuot natin ito ng tama. Today, more than ever, our people need our presence, not only as responders, but as source of inspiration. We are not called sorely to face fires, but we are called to become beacons of hope, discipline, and compassion. Our service is not measured by the number of incidents we respond to, but by the lives